I'm extremely passionate about mentorship because I received high quality mentorship throughout my entire time as a scientist. And so in the laboratory, we focus on holistic approaches. It's all about having a conversation and getting people to the point where they can make the decision that, okay, this is what I want for my career. This is what I want to embrace. The most important thing is developing each scientist to be able to think independently and creatively the way that they want.
Often there are certain categories or certain subjects that we're kind of pushed towards. It's okay to be musically inclined. It's okay to be very sports inclinated. But for the sciences, the math, a lot of times in the K through 12 curriculum, people of color are pushed away or discouraged from pursuing those things. It's very important for me to show that, hey, you can excel in this. If this is what you really want, you can do it. And it's not as mystifying as it's been made to seem. You can understand math, you can understand science, and you can get in the laboratory and create, awesome things and make very important and vital discoveries.
The wonderful thing about our lab is we expose our students to so many different fields of biology, and that helps them to define what they want to do. Maybe they want to be scientists, or maybe go to medical school, or be physical therapists. Whatever their career goal is, we're here to foster that, and that's why our mentorship program is a lot different than others.
One of the challenges in science is once you get around a lot of people, you've been working together for a long time, you tend to sync your thought. And we all can get siloed into one way of thinking. But when you bring diverse people in from different backgrounds, you also bring in that diversity of thought. And with that diversity of thought, we can examine the same thing that we've been studying the last 10 years and come up with new questions and new ways to approach it. So to me, those are some very important reasons why diversity is critical.
You always have to just remain humble and teachable. And when you do that, you're able to outshine your own expectations. And so the journey really is discovering in the mentorship program how you evolve as a human and how can you evolve as a scientist at the same time.